what else can we do? A very interesting thing that we can do is once we have this 2D version, we can start modeling in 2D and then remap it in 3D. So I'm just gonna take like a very small part here. Let's take this part here in the back. I'm gonna use a curve boolean to just get a nice nice closed curve that I want to make a part out of it. And what I want to do now is I want to create a quad, a planar quad mesh. And like this, it's fine. I'm satisfied with it. So now I have my planar quad mesh that is created with a kind of a rough, not really a precise part.